Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 of PELC 6193. Week 6 is a pretty uneventful week for us after week 5 being very busy. So week 6, we're returning to, as you know, everything the same with the overview of the things we're going to be doing with our learning outcomes and assigned readings for week 6. In week 6, we're going to be focusing on instructional strategies for struggling readers and ELL students. Excuse me. Oftentimes, these strategies can be interwoven between both of these particular student groups. Here is the PowerPoint for week 6. Here's a glossary of what different ELL terms will stand for. And here is the assignment for the discussion forum. We're again looking at how you might improve your reading based on your reading of Chapter 11, your instructional reading skills, I should say, based on your reading of Chapter 11 in the Zimmelman text. And now we're looking at the PowerPoint response activity. Here are the assignments for week 6. You're going to find and read at least one journal article or a chapter in a book about how to help English language learners read content material or learn content vocabulary. And prepare a list of at least 10 helpful suggestions related to the topic. Respond to the PowerPoint prompt, how would you use the read aloud? And respond to the question, why does Ohio use ELL instead of bilingual education for English language learners? So those are pretty important questions that really help us come to an understanding about English language learners. We used to call English language learners more like ESL, thinking English is a second language. But what you'll find, and I found, for example, in my own classes at Mount Vernon, I had a graduate student in the same class that you're taking now who was, English was her fourth language. So you can see that it really does make a difference because in our world today, most countries, people know at least one, if not more languages. And I say most because unless it's our native language here in the US, not that many people do that. So, all right, well, that is it for week 6. And that was only a few minutes. So I think what we're going to do is go back and look at week 7. And then we'll put that on the next video. Week 7 is about using data and inform instruction. So we'll go into that with the next video.